Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling your tools and choosing a safe, quiet spot to work. Use a GPS tracer app and an RF scanner to catch active transmissions, and keep a flashlight and magnet handy for hidden mounts. Once done, perform a slow, systematic exterior visual sweep, under bumpers, behind license plates, inside wheel wells and mirror housings. Make sure to note anything that looks freshly attached or out of place, since trackers often mount with tape, magnets, or zip ties, and you want to locate candidates before testing. You now perform an RF sweep. Move the scanner slowly around the vehicle at about 1-3 meters and pay attention to consistent peaks. Once you find hot spots, get closer and inspect seams, undercarriage brackets, the OBD-Roman 2 port, and trunk hinge areas for hidden modules. If you find a suspect object, remove or isolate it safely and watch the scanner. A true tracker will show a clear signal drop once powered down. Make sure to use a strong magnet to check for magnetic mounts and document placement before removal. You finish by confirming removal and securing the vehicle. Reconnect power if you disconnected the battery, and use a real-time map or tracer app to ensure no devices are reporting location. Once confirmed, restore any panels and fasteners, then run one more RF sweep to be safe. If you still suspect a tracker but found nothing, repeat the sweep at night and check for intermittently transmitting battery-powered units. Make sure to document findings and consider professional inspection if signals are weak or disappear during testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.